Hey guys, I have a 2008 Yamaha Phazer GT, and it's kind of been starting kind of hard. I started, throughout the summer just to keep things going, but it seems like it turns over a long time. Like it's turning over for, well, we'll say like 5 seconds before it finally starts. Well, I talked to the dealer and they said that it's possible the battery is just a little low, and the reason for that being part of the problem is when you turn the key on, you're powering up the gauge pod, powering up the ECM, and then the ECM's telling the fuel pump to come on. So they said you need enough charge to do all of them things. And I tested the battery and it was at 12.4 volts, which is a little bit low. They said a new battery should read about 13.6. So I didn't want to buy a battery from the dealer, so I bought this. See if you can see it here. It's a Duralast AGM, and there's the part number. And then so I brought it home and charged it up a little bit, and it's at 100% now. So I'm going to try and start it up here after I hook this up and see if it starts up a little bit quicker than it did before, and see if what the dealer told me kind of holds true. So and another thing you do need to do, once you turn the key, you'll hear the fuel pump priming and gauge pods coming on. He said turn the key and wait about 3-4 seconds before you try starting it. Well, that seemed to be starting a lot quicker than it did before. It sounded like it only turned over about 3 times, where before it was turning over at least 10 to 12 times and close to about 5 seconds. So I guess maybe what the dealer told me was a little bit on the true side. The battery was just a little too low to power everything, and the fuel pump may have been getting the least amount of volts or something. So hopefully this maybe helps some of you. That seems to be a lot of posts on the internet about Phazers kind of a hard start or taking a while to start. But to get to your battery, you have a couple, or 5mm screws. There's one here, there's one right there, and there's one kind of hidden right there. And then that cover just kind of drops down and out. So that's how you get to the battery. But it looks like, well, for the most part, mine just started up a lot quicker than it did before, and it's been sitting out here all day for at least about 10 hours since I pulled it out of the shed. So hopefully this will help some of you guys if you're having the same problem I was having. Hopefully it continues to start well. Thanks for watching.